What is MLOps? MLOps, short for Machine Learning Operations, is a practice that combines machine learning, DevOps, and data engineering principles to streamline the deployment, monitoring, and management of machine learning models in production. It ensures that machine learning workflows are automated, scalable, and aligned with business goals. Why is MLOps important? 1. Bridging the gap between development and operations. MLOps bridges the gap between data scientists who develop machine learning models and operations teams who deploy and maintain them. It ensures that models move smoothly from development to production without delays or issues. 2. Handling model lifecycle management. Machine learning models require continuous updates to stay accurate. MLOps provides tools and processes for versioning, retraining, and monitoring models, ensuring they remain effective over time. 3. Improving scalability. MLOps makes it easier to deploy and manage models across multiple environments, whether on-premises, in the cloud, or on edge devices. This scalability is critical for organizations that rely on machine learning at scale. 4. Ensuring reproducibility and governance. By tracking data, code, and model versions, MLOps ensures that experiments are reproducible and compliant with regulations. This is essential for industries like finance and healthcare. Key components of MLOps. 1. Model development and experimentation. Tools and processes that allow data scientists to build, train, and test models efficiently. 2. Continuous integration and delivery (ICD). Automated pipelines ensure that updates to data or models can be tested and deployed quickly and reliably. 3. Model monitoring and management. Systems to track model performance in production and detect issues like data drift, where the input data changes over time, impacting accuracy. 4. Collaboration and versioning. Tools that enable teams to collaborate effectively and maintain version control for data, code, and models. 5. Automation and orchestration. Automated workflows ensure that tasks like retraining or redeploying models are performed consistently and without manual intervention. Benefits of MLOps. 1. Faster time to market. Automating processes like model deployment and monitoring allows organizations to deploy machine learning solutions faster. 2. Improved model accuracy and reliability. Continuous monitoring ensures that models perform well and are retrained when necessary. 3. Reduced operational costs. Automation reduces the need for manual intervention, lowering the cost of maintaining machine learning systems. 4. Scalability. MLOps makes it easier to manage large-scale machine learning operations, supporting growth and increasing complexity. Challenges of MLOps. 1. Complexity. Implementing MLOps requires expertise in both machine learning and DevOps, which can be challenging for teams new to these disciplines. 2. Tool integration. MLOps involves integrating a variety of tools for data, model development, deployment, and monitoring. Ensuring these tools work seamlessly together can be difficult. 3. Cultural change. Adopting MLOps often requires shifts in how teams collaborate and prioritize work, which can face resistance in traditional organizations. In summary, MLOps is a critical discipline for organizations looking to scale and maintain their machine learning initiatives effectively. By automating workflows, improving collaboration, and ensuring robust monitoring, MLOps transforms machine learning from experimental projects into reliable, impactful solutions for real-world challenges.